Whenever we read any history, if we read any history, we never see Mizo. We never see Mizo. We never see the war between British and Mizo. But we always see fighting between Kuki and British, fighting between Lusei and British, like that. No Mizo.
Yeah.
Mizo is the letter name only. It is the latest name. No, not letter, but it's the latest name. Though our previous names are Kuki and Lusei. So Kuki may be the first one. Lusei may be the second name. The third name is Mizo. So after that, what new name shall we have again?